नमस्ते जी, हिंदी विद रीनू में आपका स्वागत है. वी आर मीटिंग आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग, सो वेलकम बैक इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल. So this is the most confusing concept when you learn Hindi, that when to use Aapse and while to use Aapko. So these both are very confusing. Let me explain you simply. So these are the two terms we use in different context. So let's talk about Aapse. Aapse. So this is the oblique form we use to indicate from you, when something is from you, from the other person or with you. Generally, this term involve our interaction, like both side interaction or exchange, or it is kind of taking things. You are taking something from someone and you both are involved, or you are exchanging something, you are interacting with other person, then we use this aapse. Example, I want to talk to you. So there is involvement because talk is not from one side. So मुझे आपसे बात करनी है. So in talk, two people are involved, not just one. Then I got this information from you. So from you, taking something. Okay. So in taking something also we use this आपसे. ये जानकारी मैंने आपसे ली है. ये जानकारी मैंने आपसे ली है. So I hope you are cleared about this. Now would you try to tell me why I am using in the first example मुझे, while it is I, so why I am saying मुझे. Now see the next concept, that is आपको. आपको. So this is a dative form, means I can say objective form, where we are making a subject as indirect object and it indicates something to you or for you. Typically used when we are just being given something, showing something to someone, or we done something for someone. Like we are saying thank you to someone. So in Hindi it is आपको धन्यवाद. आपको धन्यवाद. Then I need to give this book to you. मुझे आपको ये किताब देनी है. मुझे आपको ये किताब देनी है. So here giving action is involved, not taking. Now see both these together in short. So aapse is used when the action is coming from or involving the interaction of two people or maybe more than two. But aapko is used when the action is directed towards or intended for you. Okay, so one aapse is kind of taking something and aapko is kind of giving something, and aapse is having the interaction. Okay, but aapko is not having that much interaction, it is kind of giving way. Now would you like to tell me how to say I will talk to you soon and how to say I will give you an advice? These are the two questions for you and you will reply me these in the comment box. I will check and revert you back. And like this, if you are confused in other concepts also, so you can write me in the comment box. I will try to make another video for that. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. जल्दी मिलेंगे.